Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to customize Watermark on this device camera app. So first we should go into the camera, and now one will take a picture. You can see that here on the left down corner we got our default watermark shot with my Galaxy Tab A8, and now just to customize this watermark, we should click here on the settings icon and scroll down here to the watermark section. Click here once, and here we can change this shot with my Galaxy Tab A8. We can just remove this watermark, and we can just here add or enter anything what we want. For example, the HardReset team, and now click to done here. And now if we'll go back, I'll try to take a new picture here. And now by checking this photo, we can see that we got here the new watermark, Samsung camera, and the HardReset team. So that's it. That's how to customize our tablet camera on Samsung Galaxy A8 2021. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.